Affiliate income in 2020 and what you need to do to earn lots of it. Stick around. Hi, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate from deadbeat.com. And if you want to earn online income while you snooze, consider hitting that subscribe button right now. Okay, so if there was just one thing that you've always wanted to be able to do in life, what is that one thing? For me, it's always been the ability to go to sleep, wake up in the afternoon, hit the snooze button as many times as I wanted, and still wake up richer than the night before. And I know I'm probably starting to sound like a used car salesman.
Stack 'em deep, sell 'em cheap.
But this has been my reality over the last decade or so. Now, I've been able to achieve this with affiliate marketing and info products, software, and services. And what I want to talk about today is what I think to be the biggest opportunity in 2020, and that is affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing is essentially the art and the science of selling someone else's product online, and for every sale that you get, you receive a cut, otherwise known as a commission. So essentially, get traffic, sell the product. Now, a commission can range from anywhere from $1 per sale to $1,000 per sale to over $10,000 for a single sale. Now, let's talk about the measly $1 sale affiliate programs. Don't let these fool you. Just because it's $1 doesn't mean that you can't make millions of dollars promoting that particular offer. So the way this works is some super affiliates, I know several of them, this isn't my bag here, I'll just tell you what they do. Essentially what they do is they master one paid traffic source, they take that traffic, send it to a very small one-page landing page, and then from there they put their affiliate link in and promote that $1 offer. So the margins on this are super small. We're talking 5, 10, maybe 15 cents per sale if you're lucky. But imagine if you multiply this by 20,000, 30,000, or even 50,000 people per single day. We're talking thousands and thousands of dollars per day. So some people do it that way and earn bushels full of money doing it. Me personally, I usually promote stuff within the range like $50 to $100 to $150. That's more my style. But let's take the other end of the spectrum, the $10,000 sale. So this is the Get Response affiliate program. This is actually an email service that I use for my business. And right now I'm paying about $400 to $500 per month to send emails. Now I've been using them over the last 10 years. And the person who referred me to Get Response has been banking on that sale 10 years ago, even to this day, and probably for the next dozen years or so. So here's their affiliate program. The affiliate earns 33% for life. Now let's do some math real quick. Hopefully I don't look stupid doing this, but that's roughly $60,000 that I've spent so far. That affiliate has earned about $15,000 to $18,000 for one sale 10 years ago. And whoever coined that phrase, "you snooze, you lose," certainly hasn't met that guy. All right, quick intermission. If you found that to be valuable, hit that like button right now for no other reason than because it helps this video in the YouTube algorithm. Okay, on a more serious note, let's get to the good stuff. So one thing I recommend you do from this point forward is to really think about and create long form content, okay? That means long blog posts. I'll tell you why in a second. Longer videos than you did in the past. So it used to be that years ago, all you had to do was create a 150-word blog post, slap an image on there, and before you knew it, floods of buyers would be coming with cash in hand to hand it over to you. Dear reader, do you have hives? If so, you are not alone. There is a good product that can help. All right, that was a really bad impression of a movie that I like. If you know what that was from, comment below. If you get that movie right, I will PayPal the first person who gets it right $20. Okay, so back to long form content. Where you should aim this day and age, 2,500 words to 3,000 words per blog post, and videos that extend past 10 minutes. I've seen a lot of 45-minute videos do really well over the last several months here. So I think that means there's going to be a push towards that direction. And you're probably wondering right now, like, oh my gosh, do I really have to write 2,500 words? The answer is no. So the good news is you can outsource this. I don't feel like doing it anymore. I'm just like super lazy. I've done this in the past. Sometimes with sales messages, I might write those. Otherwise, I'm done writing stuff. So basically, I've learned to find good writers. You can find these for like 75 bucks on the low end. They get you about 2,500 to 3,000 words. But I like to pay a little bit more and have them kind of do most of the work for me. So what I'll have them do is write the article, post it to WordPress, format it, add images, make it look pretty, and really tune it up to give that extra little bit of effort out of it. It's worth it for me to pay a little extra money. If you don't have the money, just put in that little bit of elbow grease and get to the point where you can just reinvest the profits and have someone else do it for you. And I'll talk about that in a second. Now, that's blogging. Let's talk about videos. Videos are going to be crucial for affiliate marketing or any info product sales in general. If you're not doing video, you got to figure it out. So what you need to work on nowadays, in my opinion, is making your videos better. So work on good B-roll. Make sure that it's not a consistent shot of you just sitting there like, hey guys, so today we're making a video about this, this, and this. Really get into it. Get into it, move around. Say, hey guys, today we're gonna be talking about everything that you need to know about camera levels. And this thing doesn't work, by the way. So really get into it, polish it up, add the polish. So that means adding some music, add some B-roll footage you can get off sites like Pixabay, Pexels, all that. Great way to really tune up your videos in the future. Get over it, get over the fear. It's like, do you want to get rich or not? If the answer is yes, then I think you can figure out ways to do it, right? Like if you really want to do something bad enough, don't you agree that you will find a way to get over that fear? So the really question is come to you. Do you want this bad enough? And I think if you're here, the answer is yes. Now, this brings me to my second point. This is kind of related. Build a brand, okay? Think of it like this. This pen, for example, you can't really do much to improve this pen. Now, granted, there are companies out there that are really efficient, that can survive in the pen space. They have a huge competitive moat. They're very disciplined. But by and large, it is very difficult to innovate the pen. You got the space pen, you got this cool thing. There's not many gizmos you can add to make this a massive innovation in the pen. And that's a problem. Well, that means that because it's commoditized, there's not much margin for you to come in and succeed. With a personal brand, though, there is only one of you. So because of that, there's an unlimited amount of things that you can do to continue to innovate when you focus on your brand. This is a competitive moat that is unbeatable in almost every industry. Some, like food companies, tend to have some problems, but creative businesses like this, personal brand is everything. So with that said, going along with the videos, get over the fear of being on camera. Focus on building some kind of form of character. Now, you don't have to go nuts like this. You don't have to go out there wearing robes like I do and shoot videos. That's not necessary. I just like doing it because I'm nuts. But what you should consider doing is really try to get a consistent way that you talk, a consistent way that words that you say, phrases, get catchphrases together. Like I talk about napping, snoozing, all of that. All this helps to create that small little tweaks that can build a brand more in depth than had you have not done it. Another thing that I'm going to work on, this is something that I've forgotten, I've kind of not overlooked, but just kind of didn't really see the value in, was the graphics. So I'm going to spend more time this year making consistent graphics across my websites, my thumbnails, my YouTube channel art, the actual graphics being used in the video when I can, to give it that consistent, well-rounded feeling to it. And last but not least, for my final tip, zig when they zag. All right, I'm a contrarian businessman. When everyone's doing this over here, right now it's FBA, Shopify, I'm going over here. Years ago, it was ClickBank. I went to Amazon affiliate marketing. So I think there's a big void in the affiliate marketing space. FBA, Shopify, massive bubble right there. That's going to crash. So once that does, people are going to flock back to affiliate marketing, info products, etc. So what I'm doing nowadays, I'm doubling down on Amazon affiliate, and I'm also focusing more on ad revenue. Here's why. Because everyone's getting into the info product space, the FBA space. Advertising right now is more expensive than it used to be. So what that means is that if you are a publisher and you serve that market, people that need ads, you can make more money because they're paying more. You get a bigger cut from that. The ad networks are willing to pay you a little bit more. So while everyone's spending their money, I'm going to be over here on the other end receiving that money. So I'm focusing more on ads on my YouTube channels, not so much on my blogs, but my YouTube channels in particular. And In addition, I will be moving less from selling info products to more to selling affiliate offers. So I'm shifting more to affiliate marketing, more to ad revenue for several reasons. But as far as info products are concerned, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work to make your own products. You're more adaptable if you're able to either make them really fast or promote affiliate offers. I think there's a lot more adaptability and ease to sell affiliate offers. So I'm focusing more on this year. I might release an info product or something, but mostly it's going to be affiliate offers. So zig when they zag. I think this is a key to success in life in general. Wherever the herd is, don't get sucked into the herd mentality. It's a unified thought, and if you're able to remain independent, I think that you will succeed. And bonus tip number 4, continue to reinvest back in your business. I'm going to admit, I didn't do this enough over the last 3 to 4 years. I stacked my cash. I invested in companies like Berkshire Hathaway, Apple. This is not financial advice, by the way. But what I should have done more is reinvest back into my core internet business. That's what I'm good at. I'm good at that. Now, I think I'm pretty decent at investing in outside businesses, but I really know the ins and outs of internet marketing, and it's much smarter to invest in the things you know. More importantly, though, this is by reinvesting back in, it's going to create that barrier for all the new people that it's going to be very hard for them to come in and overcome that investment barrier. So being successful in business is continue to reinvest your profits. Do not live off of your business income if you can. Now, if you're in a position where you need to, you're just going to have to work really hard so that you can make enough money to live off of and continue to reinvest back in the business. It should be as much as you possibly can. Now, with that said, you have to be smart about this. Don't just think because you're reinvesting back in the business that it's a good thing. Not all investments are equal. So you have to put a lot of thought into where you should invest your money. All right, usually it's hire people, get tools developed, get programs developed, and you'll do much better, get your brand developed, etc. So with that said, check out my most recent video right there. And it's been a while since we last talked, so comment below. I'm interested in hearing what's new, what you have going on. I look forward to seeing your comments, and hit that like button and that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And I have no cool way to end this, so it's time for me to go take a nap.